Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this portable basketball hoop for outdoor and indoor. It's 5 up to 7 feet height adjustable, and it's for kids and adults too. It's a basketball hoop with a 33-inch Shatterproof backboard and the stand wheels. This is a basketball goal for kids, teenagers, and of course for all the other kinds of mankind out there which likes basketball sports. This kid's basketball hoop here is designed for a wide ages from 3 up to 12 or higher, with a 5 level of adjustable height features ranging from 5 feet to 7 feet, the floor to bottom edge of the backyard. We can adjust the height accordingly as our child grows. This makes it perfect for family leisure play, developing and inspiring the basketball talents in kids from an early age. This basketball hoop is better for kids under 1.4 meters. And also, you can see adults can play with that too. This basketball hoop system set only requires a minimal time and efforts to be assembled. We can follow my video description for that, and an easy installation process is coming. We can set up with this basketball hoop quickly without difficulties using the tools which are included. Weatherproof and durable materials that have been manufactured from one of the quality plastic, PE. We can experience the safety of the product during the installation. And to build in the wheels at the front of the base makes this basketball goal easily to be moved to any safe area. We can bring this youth basketball hoop with a stand to play with our family, friends, and so on. We remove the middle tube to get lower heights for little kids or for the swimming pool. This is ideal for backyards, for the front yard, for the park, for the playground, for the garage, for the gym, for the driveway, for inside the house too. It's perfect for family fun, of course. And the basketball hoop features a thickened base which can be filled with 35 kilograms of water or 55 kilograms of sand. This makes it definitely safe in a slide, winds, and shoot impact for our kids. A steel main pole, a high-strength shatterproof backyard, an all-weather nylon net, and plus the bottom triangle design. Everything is designed to make the product safer, more stable, and long-lasting. And for the safety, we should fill the base with water or sand before we use it. Of course, we're filling the base with sand instead of water because the water will freeze when it's under 0 degrees Celsius out there. And we can, if we need it, additional whites or stabilization added by our staff for absolute safety on our windy weather. This portable basketball hoop is not designed for dunking. To extend the life of the base, we tilt the backboard hoop to the side of the base with the wheels when moving. And you see, easy installation process, easy to change the direction of the basket, of course, easy to install the basket system, and with the yellow height adjustable basketball hoop makes it possible to go outdoor or indoor to play a lot of basketball sessions. It's high adjustable, it's weatherproof, it comes with a robust and stable design, easy to install, and of course it is portable, baby. The We The Yellow products focus on quality, fun, practicality, and safety. They hope we know children can get happiness from their products and makes their home full of warmth and love too. It grows up with our children's 5 level height adjustable from 5 feet to 7 feet is possible. And of course, it is cool. That's for kids. That's the experience and long-lasting performance. Shatterproof PE backboard for reliability, durability in intense games, of course. And after a easy installation process, you will get it outdoor or indoor, top it up with water or sand, and then you can adjust the height and have fun with that really nice product. This is cool. This is the really nice and easy going portable basket hoop for indoor and outdoor use. 5 up to 7 feet of adjustable for a kid's basketball hoop with a 33-inch shatterproof backboard and stand-up wheels. This is an either basketball go for kids, teenagers, and adults too, of course. And it comes to you by WeTheLOO. Claw. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.